Hey guys, so this is my favorite app, which is Duolingo. Duolingo is basically an app which teaches you foreign language through online, easy and free. Okay, so first of all, you need to start an account, but don't worry, even if you're not an English speaker, you could also use this because it caters to many speakers like Indonesia or the Netherlands or Italiano. Okay, like me, I'm an English speaker, so let's just use English. Okay, first of all, you need to sign up for this thing because it is best to have an account so that you can actually keep track of your progress. Okay, Duolingo has two versions, which is the mobile app and the website, which is this one is the website. Okay, and let's go. Okay, once you're signed up and you're logging, this is your home page. Okay, you can there's a variety of languages that you can choose, such as the language of love, French, or Russia, and for those who love Korean, K-popers, here's a chance. And Percy Jackson, that's Greek. Oh, and there's also, look at this, for the fans, for those who love Game of Thrones, there's High Valiant, and those who love Star Trek, this is for you. Getting back to me, I am currently learning Japanese, and okay, let's go here. Okay, I'm gonna explain what's on this page. First of all, you can see this is the Japanese skill, and I'm currently at level 2, which is the Hiragana 2, and I've only completed 2 out of 5. Okay, this is a section for a daily goal, which is, it's like every day I need to gain 20 experience points. Okay, and it actually keep track. Okay, and this is the day streak, which I don't keep track at all. And this is the achievement bar. Okay, this achievement bar, you will achieve this medal once you achieve this streak. Like, if you want to get a wildfire, you need to maintain a 2-day streak, or a champion, complete 10 skills of a course. Basically, it's like that. Okay, you can see it, and so on. Okay, from there, and then this is the leaderboard. You and your friends could actually follow each other and compete with each other. You can actually weekly, monthly, or all time. Okay, so basically it's going to make you more competitive because you're competing with your friends, right? Okay, so you guys must be wondering how the practices are going to be, and trust me, it's going to be easy. Okay, first of all, they're going to teach you on all these characters of your chosen language, like Japanese. Okay, let's go for Japanese first. Okay, from here you can hear they're going to teach you one by one, and you have make you familiarize you with the pronunciation of the character like that. And if you can't, and let's say if you can't get it on the first time, during the first time, you can actually press this and listen to it again. Ni, okay, ni. That's E. And then select the correct characters for ni. While doing this, it's actually trying to strengthen your memory for the characters, because that's what everything's all about. You need to know you need to know the characters before you progress. Am I right? How are you going to learn? How are you going to master the language if you don't know the characters, right? Okay, so it's ni. Let's say you're not sure which one is ni. You can press and listen to the pronunciation. Chi. Okay, and there's also like this mix and match. Chi. And then there's the ni. Continue, and they also teach you numerals like this. Select for one. Ichi. continue. Set for 2. Ni.
Ichi.
Ichi. Okay. And they also teach you how to translate it. This one. Ichi.
Ichi.
Ichi. What was ichi just now? It's 1. And check. Ta-da. And ni is 2. You are correct. Continue and please read. See, every lesson you gain 10 experience point, and you can also review your lesson if you want. Like you could just press your response and continue. Achievement backlogs. Look, you will all. Okay, continue. Okay, this is how it works. So, okay, let's say, okay, once you've mastered a few levels in a language, like for Korean, I've achieved level 3, and as you can see, the settings have automatically changed into a Hangul, into a Korean language, which is Hangul. Look, and this is actually good for you because you're being familiarized with how it works, and you're trying to understand and read it like yong, yongo, yorang, yongoro, yoryang. No, don't ask me. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's go back to Japanese. And let's say you're up for a discussion for your chosen language. You can just go to discussion and find the forum that you want to. Just click on it and you'll be inside, and you can continue. Okay, let's just say you're bored of practices and you want more extra practices. So just go to labs, and you can see from this they have Duolingo stories, events, and podcasts. For those who don't like to read, you can listen to podcasts. It's easy. And there's also a special for teachers or educators out there. You can actually use Duolingo for your classroom. Like, go to schools.duolingo.com. You can actually find it on the same page of duolingo.com. Right down here, just click the link and it will bring you here. All you have to do is log in. Oh my god, log in with Duolingo account. And you're here. You can create your classroom like this one. You go for Japanese, and you can invite your students. All you have to invite your students through Classroom or create accounts for your students. Okay, go back. And this is actually quite convenient for language teachers to monitor your students' progress. You could also assign assignments, create assignments. There's a Japanese curriculum. Skills. It's actually quite thorough that it's going to benefit you and your classmates. Classroom, and then and I guess that's all for Duolingo. It's a really nice app for those who want to learn new languages but you don't want to spend money in it. Just go here and you can learn a lot from this app. And trust me, once you finish this, you're going to be a fluent speaker of that language. I do not guarantee you, but you will one day. That's all from me. Thank you.